Grok is the one that Elon Musk has created, but it doesn't have any guardrails in it. Okay, you can create stuff in that and there's no guardrails. So use with caution.
And what I found is the more specific I am and the more specificity I add to the prompt, the better quality the response is.
If there's an option to turn on extended thinking or think deeper or whatever it is, give up that next couple of minutes, but you'll get a much better, deeper answer. And this new assisted culling, so this is using AI, and it's optimized at the moment for people. Okay. So if you're a bird photographer and you've got 500 shots of kingfishers and you just want the sharp one with the eye glinting or whatever it is, this doesn't do birds yet, but it will. Okay, that's coming. A quiet strength that masks a deep-seated melancholy, a mystery, the emerald ghost who appears on the coast whenever the weather turns foul. Yeah. It sounds like Daphne du Maurier, this, doesn't it? You don't need to go overboard with keywords. And I assume we won't need to keyword at all. I mean, the AIs are trained to try and give you an answer that they think satisfies what you asked for. And it's all about the prompt. One of the best ways of reducing hallucinations is just to put something like this in your prompt. Okay. If you're not completely certain about something, tell me before making any claims. Be honest about your confidence levels. If you were going to put me on a desert island and I could only take one AI tool with me, it would be Notebook LM.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by thinking about it.
It's just jaw-droppingly good when you see this stuff for the first time. So AI can now create new stuff that's never been created before. Okay. It's based on previous understanding and previous knowledge of imagery and of text and all the rest of it, but it's not just consuming and then regurgitating the stuff that's already been created, if you like. We're seeing breakthroughs now in medicine, we're seeing breakthroughs in physics and biology and many, and this is only going to accelerate. And AI is one of these transformational technologies. So what we're seeing at the moment in these first 3 or 4 years is the building the railroad. Instead of reflecting the environment around it, the liquid acts as a pressurized snow globe containing a fully realized glowing Victorian city. And I coded this with not writing one line of code. All I did was told the kind of app what I wanted. And then it goes off and it codes it for you. I made it a female voice and I said, you've got to be kind and you've got to be supportive. So, yeah.